we'll guide you through how to update to the latest version of Visual Studio Code. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, open Visual Studio Code on your computer. Once it's open, look at the bottom left corner of the window. You'll see a gear icon, which is your settings menu. Click on it. In the menu that pops up, look for the option labeled Check for Updates and click on it. Visual Studio Code will automatically start checking for any available updates. If there's a new version, it will prompt you to download and install it. Just follow the on-screen instructions to complete the update process. It's really important to keep VS Code updated because updates often include new features, bug fixes, and performance improvements that can make your coding experience much smoother. If your VS Code doesn't seem to be updating automatically, you might need to check your internet connection or restart the application to refresh its state. Another tip is to ensure that your system permissions allow VS Code to make changes, as this could prevent updates from being installed. Once the update is complete, you might need to restart Visual Studio Code to apply the changes. Doing this ensures that you have the latest tools and security updates at your disposal. Keeping your software up to date is a good habit to maintain overall system health and security. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.